Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It feels so refreshing to say that and to be sitting down and to be filming. This is going to be the start of a new series that I'm filming. I think I'm just going to call it Skincare Sundays. Just like a little part of the week where we can kind of reflect and talk. I won't probably do it every Sundays. Probably won't do it every Sunday, but I'm going to do it as much as I can because a lot has changed. A lot has been going on. I want to talk to you guys about it. I want to just kind of reflect on everything that's been going down. And I haven't done my skincare this morning yet, so I figured why not sit down, film a video. I'm going to be filming and editing and writing all day today. So without further ado, we're going to get into it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to subscribe if you want to see more stuff that's going on, and to comment what skincare products you guys are using, because so far I am running out of a lot of things and I'm really cleaning everything out so that I could try new skincare products. Samples first, always. Let's just kind of start talking. Let's go. So I will kind of show you what I'm using, or you'll kind of see it, but I'll link everything down below. But I'm just gonna put some lip mask on now because my lips are very dry. I haven't filmed or uploaded since my productive vlog. And this, by the way, will be in my April favorites. I didn't do, excuse me, I'm filming. I didn't do a March favorites because I only had a few products. And I figured, why don't I just do like a March-April favorites at the end of the month so I can show all of you what I've been using. Yeah, this is probably going to be one of them, but we'll talk about it then. So I haven't been filming as much since my last video, and that's because the last 2 weeks have been a super intense but also productive, and everything that I've been wanting to happen has finally happened. So I can say now that I am at a new job. I'm on my second week working there. My first week was obviously shorter. I did stop nannying, so I'm done nannying. I'm no longer a nanny. If you guys didn't know before, I was working for my family company as well as nannying throughout the week. It was a little too much sometimes, but I enjoyed really, watching these kids grow up. I've been doing it for years. And I'm done. And now I'm full-time at this job. I'm enjoying it so far. I think it's super interesting and it's a really big learning opportunity for me. And I'm really grateful that they did take a chance on me because I wasn't, super experienced. But I get there a little early every day. I start at 9, but I'm an early person, so an early riser. So I actually get up at 8:30. Sorry. So I actually get up at 6:30 still every single day. And I get up and I basically go there. I get there for 8:30, and I just kind of sit there and I study what I'm, like search engine optimization and a few things that I didn't really know too much before. And so far, I'm really enjoying it. And my desk at work is filled with granola bars, so I've made my mark. So because of all of that, I haven't been able to really film, and I've been kind of adjusting and getting myself into a new schedule. When it happened so quickly, and it just, I was starting a few days after I got the job. There was no 2 weeks notice, there wasn't any, it was just jump right into it. And that was probably one of the most intense things because I went from getting the job to the following day being my last day. And it's really close to home, which is great because I walk there in the mornings, which means that like I'm getting my steps in for my Fitbit competitions, but also I'm really clearing my head in the morning. A video I am going to be filming is like my work week essentials today, so I can show you guys what I need for the week. And I didn't really have like work shoes, so I ordered some off of Forever 21 today. Say what you want, but I think Forever 21 actually has really good shoes. I just ruined them really quickly, but the ones that I got I think will be okay. I just need to clean my boots and stuff for tomorrow. You guys will kind of see me in my vlogs kind of prepare for work and stuff like that, and just show you guys what I use, my essentials, everything. So that's where I've been. I'm very happy. I'm really excited to continue this journey, and I think that was one of the struggles for the last 4 months, was wondering why it wasn't happening for me yet. And I think it's just because there was something greater and something with more opportunity just like waiting. I'm adulting. Oh, moisturizer. Another thing, I've been actually getting through my makeup now that I, kind of have to wear a little bit of cover up at work. So it's making my pan project a lot easier. I'll show you guys a little update since this is kind of my little updating moment. So I have empty shipping boxes under my bed, and I'm using those to kind of collect everything that's empty so that I can really see what I've used throughout the year, what I need to refill. I'm currently waiting for the Sephora sale so I can refill this toner, because I was looking at other toners and I was trying to see, you know, if there was anything that I should give a try, but this really does keep my skin less oily throughout the day, and I will gladly refill that. So the sale I think is this Friday. I already have my list of everything I'm going to get. Everything I'm going to get is also based off of everything that's pretty much almost done. I'm going to invest in a good sunscreen. I'm going to get the Lancome one. I am very sensitive to the sun. I think I've mentioned that before in these videos, but I do get really sensitive. I break out in hives. I have rosacea. Look at my eye cream. My eye cream is literally almost done, and I already purchased. It's in a drawer over there. I'm gonna kind of organize that stuff today a little bit, but I have purchased another eye cream. I got the Ole Henriksen banana one because I like this for moisture, but I need something a bit more brightening. I still haven't found yet my perfect concealer, but the e.l.f. one, the camo concealer, finally hit Canada. So I'm gonna order that off of the Shoppers Drug Mart website probably later on today, since I already ordered shoes and my bank account's like, relax. To be honest with you, I really wanted to like come on here and just talk about this job, and I'm gonna really dedicate my evenings for editing and for writing, and also using my ring light to film at night. But I'm gonna dedicate a lot of time to filming, at least when I have a spare chance or like a spare moment, to filming 3 videos in one shot, so I'm good for at least a week and a half. I really like what I'm filming today. I think that they're really informative, but also videos that kind of go along with what I have to just get done during the day anyway, so why not film it and why not show you guys what I'm up to? And I'm gonna use these rejuvenating eye masks from Burt's Bees. I'm gonna have kind of like a self-care spa day. That's one of the videos I have planned for today, so I'm just gonna kind of use some of this footage as well in that video to kind of talk about it and talk about what I'm doing. So I'll just kind of speed through my skincare routine in like a little montage. I don't know, I have a lot of good editing and filming ideas. I'm excited. It's a bit of a good day today so far. I think it was because I watched Beyonce's documentary and I was like, shit, she does so much in a day. That needs to be me. That needs to be me. I think there's only one. Oh, I split them in half, I believe. Okay. Oh my god, I forgot how good these feel. I honestly, guys, got these at Metro, and they were $2.99 each. And I bought a handful of them when I was grocery shopping. I still have one more pack. But I bought a handful of them, and guys, oh my god. You just put them in for like 5 minutes. You can do them first thing in the morning when you're making your coffee or something. That's what's been going on. I wanted to film a quick little update. I'm currently, just because I'm getting back into, you know, the job and everything, I have been also doing this like once a week, take a bath and read in the bath and not be on my phone in the bath. And I'm rereading, which everybody, and I think I'm going to tell this story really quickly, and let me just get what I needed. I am rereading Leave Your Mark by Alicia Lick. Kind of a book really centered and focused around like careers and like killing it in your career. And I read this the day before my first day of this job. And I have to tell you that this is probably one of my favorite career-based books. And I read it I actually bought it, but I read it for the first time when I went to New York, and I only got halfway through it. But this was my bookmark, and it was my last $5 that I had. And I have to say that this book really like radiates the best energy, and it has nothing but good memories of like me reading this on the bus in Hoboken, like going from Hoboken to New York, like going straight into the city, and reading this book on the High Line and really just getting only halfway through it. It was a very short trip. But now that I'm reading it, I'd say 3 years later, it's made a really big difference, because now I'm not seeing it from like an intern's perspective or like, you know, a girl still in university, but I'm seeing it from the perspective of like a woman in her, you know, career, using her degree. And I want to read more books like this, because now that I'm at this position and I'm at this place, I don't ever want to stop learning. I want to continue learning, and the In the Company of Women book that I have as well is something that I have to really take it upon myself to every single day read and just flip through a page, get that bit of advice, and then take it with me during the day. So it's a lot, but I think it's all worth it, and it gives you that extra boost. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching, and while we're here, let's take these bad boys off, sit in my under eyes, and now I'm gonna do more filming, some writing, and I will see you guys shortly. Thank you all so much for watching. Have an amazing, amazing week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.